Hey guys, I just got this fab little box right here from Scrappin Happy Studio. I love this company, small company, woman-owned business, all that kind of stuff. And she does such a fantastic job with her customer service. So let's get into this. I don't know, like the little touches, like the foofies. I like the touches. Thank you for supporting. Oh, our small business. Look, we're in sync. So let's see what we have. Oh my Lanta, guys. Do you see it? Do you see the treasures? So there are both boxes of Happy Mail in here. Now, I have to try to see what's what. Or do I just show? I'll just show them all. Let's see how it looks. I'll go like this and we will check it out. Oh, these are so pretty. So these are 4 mini canvas flare buttons. Look at the color story. So one I think is based on Vicki Boutin's new collection, and the other one I think is based like color matchy to 49 and Market. But I tend to just use whatever. I don't keep them for one thing or another. Guys, look at the leaves. And these are the mini canvas flare again. So they have this texture and gorgeous color story. Okay, so these are handmade epoxy buttons. And they're like the size, they're right between like a nickel and a quarter. Autumn memories, making memories, family fun time, gather. Let's see if I can see. Come on, little guys. I love that we have this pink. I like this nice plum. Love this most. So those are pretty. Ooh, Farmers, let's see, Farmers Fall Market, open daily, pumpkins, gourds, candy apples. So this looks like it's brown, and this looks like a deep plummy, like a plummy indigo. Does that make sense? So cute. Then these are handmade epoxy buttons. Hello there, this story right here. And guys, the thing that's cool about this is, yes, it matches these collections, right? But you can use them for anything. I mean, unless you have something that is clearly like a nice little leafy bit, it totally works. So let's see. These are like the size of a dime. Fall decor, happy smile, leaves, lovely, fall, sweet. I love them. I love the little size. I can put so many of these on a layout. These are the same size and they look like little buttons. Love this wine kind of mulberry cranberry color. Gorgeous. Ooh, so now these are big honkin' ones. So these are like between $1.25 and $1.50. Happy Day, Fall Leaves, Autumn Story, Together, Fall Walk, Pumpkin Time, and it looks like it's ripped from a notebook. So like what I was saying is like you can always use like Together and Happy Day on anything and more. Now these are mini canvas flare. Here, enjoy this things. Then these are the size of a dime. Again, aren't they cute? With like the black and white florals, they look so perfect to go with the Vicki Boutin stuff. Then there are mini canvas flare again, and they're just wonky hearts. Gorgeous. Love that like citron-y color. Oh guys, they look like wood cuts. Give thanks. We've got ourselves a little turkey. Oh, and then this around the woodcut, that looks kind of like a houndstooth. Happy fall, thankful, gather. Let's see, blessed and thankful. They're so pretty, like so saturated, color rich. The little things, stories to tell, adore this, hello you, discovering all the things, memories and motions. Guys, look at that color. Like it's just popping right off. Okay, then this one, oh, guys, look at that. Enjoy the little things. We've got these gorgeous pumpkins that look all watercolory and low-key. Like the Scrappin Happy, I have words. I'm trying to get them out. Let's try that again. Jenny's stuff from Scrappin Happy Studio, her watercolory stuff, it always has my heart. Okay, flare without the glare, canvas flare buttons, capture moments, snapshot. Do you guys see that Polaroid? That smile, let's discover things, snapshots, and create. Guys, that color, it's like, that's the color of my prom dress. Yes, it was. Okay, moving on. We have really deep autumn colors here. Look at that color there. That's the color that my red maples are turning right now. So pretty. Splendor and autumn. And then we've got the big Flare again, Fall Walk, simply the best. Hello Fall, one of the most gorgeous pumpkins ever. Autumn, and then glorious. And then all kinds of cute typewriters. The Story, Remember, Hello, Discover New Things, Moments, and Today. So guys, that's what I got from Scrappin Happy Studio. Love, love, love it. I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies. But guys, I am loving the new Happy Mail boxes. I think they are gorgeous. I'm actually, my daughter's right behind me. Sorry. Okay, y'all. I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these goodies. And guys, I'm going to get creative with all of them. I'm going to get a little bin, put them right on my desk so I can see their beautiful little happiness. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.